Hello po, ito po ang marketplace ng RP Santiago. Total market listing is good. Total active listing is 113. Estimated inquiry per day is 4. This week inquiry converted to sale is 21,413 with 4 transactions. Ang top 3 listing ko po ay ang plain dry fit with 5 inquiry received, 2 total transaction with total amount of 43,459. Ang top 2 naman po ay ang aming CVC Cotton with 6 inquiry received, 5 total transaction with total amount of 42,350. Panghuli naman po ang aming Stainler Tumbler with 3 inquiry received, 3 total transaction with total amount of 10,406. Ang na-post ko sa listing this week ay 12 at meron pa kaming 13 na kulang sa aking listing. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.